Hello guys, so I'm about to watch Michael Jackson perform Human Nature live at Wembley, 1988. Let's get right into it.
Sleepless eye, hear her voice, shake my window, sweet seducing sighs, get me down to the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight. Shh. If this town is just an then let me take a bite. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, can it be that way?
This chorus is too catchy.
Why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, can it be that way? Reaching out. Electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl?
Ooh, that bass.
She likes the way I stare. If they say why, tell them that it's human nature. Why, can it be that way? They say why. Why, got it be that way? I like living this way. I like loving this way. Reaching out.
Oh my gosh. No, have to pause. His tone there was gorgeous. And I just forgot those high notes were coming because I was distracted by his moves. I mean, I'm well aware of Michael Jackson's dancing talent. I'm not shocked because he can dance. I'm just amazed at how in sync he is with the band. The way he's able to move his body so seamlessly, it like fries my brain.
Into the night, it began to be. Just, I'm dreaming on the street. Everybody sing. They say
Madness.
why
Listen, not to be shady, but a lot of artists would have needed CGI to do what he just did at the end. But dance moves aside, the live performance definitely reminded me how much I enjoy that song. It's so beautiful, especially love those high notes. Again, his tone there was just beautiful, and I loved the intimacy of that performance. Guys, if you'd like to see more live performances from Michael, just leave your recommendations below. I love you all, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!